Thinking about Instacart as a side hustle or maybe even full-time? Whether you're just starting or looking to boost your earnings, this video is packed with proven tips to help you shop smarter, earn more, and keep your ratings high. And make sure to stick around, I'll save the most important tips for last. Let's dive in. First up, work during the busiest times. The best money on Instacart is usually up for grabs on weekends, early evenings, and right before holidays. Check your app for those peak boost zones. Stay logged in during rush hours, that's when those high-paying batches start popping up. Tip 2. Be picky with the batches you accept. Don't just grab the first offer you see. Take a good look. What's the pay? How many items? How far is the delivery? That $35 order sounds great until you realize it's 60 items and 20 miles of driving. I try to aim for at least $1 per item or a $20 per hour minimum. That's the sweet spot for most top shoppers. Tip 3. Get to know your stores. Every place is different. Target, Costco, Aldi, they all have their own layouts. The faster you can find stuff, the more batches you can finish in a shift. Use aisle numbers in the app if you have them, and group your list by department: produce first, frozen last. Trust me, less backtracking means more money in your pocket. Number 4, organize your car. Don't just toss everything in the trunk. Use bins or totes to keep frozen, fragile, and pantry items separate. It keeps food intact and makes drop-offs quick. Customers notice when you go the extra mile, and so does your tip jar. Tip 5. Communicate clearly. Always send a message when you start the batch. If something's out of stock, offer a replacement. Don't just refund unless they ask. Good communication leads to better reviews and usually better tips too. Tip 6. Watch your ratings. Instacart's algorithm loves high-rated shoppers. Just 1 or 2 bad ratings can drop you out of the top batch priority. After each batch, take a second to reflect. Did you deliver a smooth experience? Tip 7. Use tools to track your money. Keep up with your income, miles, gas, and car wear. Apps like Gridwise, Everlance, or QuickBooks Self-Employed make this easy. Remember, you're running a mobile business. Track your numbers, and those tax deductions can save you a ton. All right, let's get into what really separates average shoppers from great ones. First, speed comes with strategy, not rushing. The fastest shoppers aren't just sprinting through the store. They move with purpose and a plan. Build your own system. Start in produce, end in frozen, use a checklist. Accuracy and flow matter more than just blazing through. Second, protect your body. This job is physical. Stretch before your shift, wear good shoes, and always lift with your legs, not your back. Trust me, an injury will cost you way more than any bad batch. Third, treat every order like it's worth $100. Even the small batches matter. Bag items neatly, check expiration dates, and set the groceries down with care. Happy customers become repeat tippers, and Instacart definitely keeps track of who's consistently delivering that top-level service. Instacart can be flexible, profitable, and even pretty fun if you shop smart. Apply these tips, learn from every batch, and you'll start seeing the rewards. Like and subscribe for more gig tips, and drop your own advice in the comments below.